3 women, including a nurse and a youth, tested coronavirus positive in the last 24 hours in Manipur. A 76-year-old woman and her 48-year-old son tested positive for coronavirus in Manipur, taking the state's total number of positive cases to 7th with 5 active cases. The 2 persons had recently arrived from Mumbai, where one of them underwent treatment at the Tata Memorial Hospital. Manipur Health and Family Welfare Department Additional Director Khairam Sashikumar Mangan said the woman and her son belong to a 36-member group which returned to Manipur from Mumbai on May 8. A nurse who was under quarantine since her return from Kolkata and a 22-year-old girl who recently returned to Manipur from Chennai also tested positive for COVID-19. After a gap of more than 1 month with no active cases in Manipur, the state reported a fresh case on May 14th when a 31-year-old man from Imphal East District who recently returned from Mumbai by a hired vehicle with his cancer patient father tested positive for COVID-19. He is now undergoing treatment for COVID-19 at Jennings Hospital. Manipur was declared COVID-19 free by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on April 19 after the first 2 coronavirus patients recovered, and Manipur was listed under the green zone in the centre's revised COVID-19 charts on the prevalence rate of the spread of the virus. As such, the state lifted lockdown restrictions in some of the sector and eventually started a mass evacuation plan to bring home thousands by road and train. Meanwhile, owing to the rise of the COVID-19 positive cases within a span of 3 days, Manipur government has ordered restrictions of stranded people returning by private or hired vehicle as the precautionary measures until the existing backlog testing is completed. However, those who are already granted for the permit may be allowed to enter state. Bureau Report.